Hmm. Low sound in your earbuds? Here's how to fix it.
Okay, hello. Having trouble with your earbuds not having equal sound? You hear more here on this side or the other side? I'll show you how to do it in a couple of steps here. Okay, number one, take out your earbuds from your case. And this actually works on any type of earbud, not just the Jabra Lite 75T. You see here on these two pins here, this is where the charging happens, and there's not that important for sound actually, just for charging. But you see this little hole here, right here. This is where the sound comes out or is responsible. So if you have problems with your sound, you need to clear this out, this part. That's method one. So you just clean them out. You take something long and thin, but not too too spiky or too destructive for the earbuds, so that you don't damage them. But you take this here, just poke them in here, and try to clean out as much as possible. What happens is over time, you get a lot of gunk, dead skin cells, dirt, and all kind of stuff that gets stuck here. So you need to clean this part out here. And what you can do, you can also use some alcohol. And when I say alcohol, I mean this type of alcohol, 85% solution, that you can use to clean out all different parts of, for use for electronics or any type. So you dip it in this one like this, squirt some, like that, and yeah, just proceed to cleaning them out in this little hole here. Make sure you get in there. Yeah, and keep doing it like this. That's the first step. And then you repeat this step for both earbuds, both the right one and the left one. I like to twirl them around like this, hold one steady and just twist it like this, and hopefully we'll get the worst out of it. And the reason why you do this is they build up over time, all kind of different stuff of dirt and dust and debris. So you need to do this regularly. This is not a one-time fix. You need to do this many times. Yeah, that's it. And if you notice that there is still not an improvement in the sound quality, then you need to do this method. And this is the second method you do. And I don't think a lot of videos have this advice, so I'll try to be as precise as possible. So this part here also accumulates a lot of airwax and all kind of disgusting things, so you need to clean this part out as well. And you can do it from this part, from the earbud, or you can remove the silicone gel foam. Let's see here. Yeah, you need to run your fingertips around like this a couple of times. Can be a bit tricky. You need to have some good nails. Step one, and then run them around here, almost coming off here. Okay, there we go. And they're off now. You see here the problem? The problem here is all the dirt. This is not that much, but in your case it could be much worse. And for this part you can use a Q-tip or anything like cotton swab or something and just try to remove it. And that, if it doesn't work, if it's like too small, we can try using a needle. Try to be careful using this because You don't want to damage anything. Just keep doing this. Okay, they're looking a bit better now. Okay, I think they're kind of clean now, right? Can you see? It's much better now. I think that's it. I don't think I need to be more precise than this or more thorough. And that's it. And then you just put them back again. And they're as good as new again, hopefully. And repeat this step on the other side. Do you see here? We have a lot. It's much dirtier this side. See here? And this is actually the one with the reduced volume. So I think it could be this the reason why here. No, this is actually the right side, which is the good side. So that's kind of weird. This is the right side, and this is actually the earbud with the better sound quality. So there you go. I don't know why, but we cleaned this part out anyway. I'll try to use some alcohol here. Looks so much better now, right? And the same process again. You have to remove this part to make sure that you get it thoroughly. Okay, there we go. You see here? Look at that. Yeah, it's a bit disgusting, but you want your earbuds to work, right? I use my nails. I'm not a picky. It's okay. You see, they're much better now. They're almost good as new now. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and like and subscribe if you want to see some more videos.